true music. My head hurts every single day, looking all over, looking for fate. Said it's supposed to meet you, it's always late. Running for a mile, but I haven't found the gate. Takes 10 minutes just to finish 1/8. 6 blunts roll straight to the face. And then I'm lace, pump my brakes, slow down if I ever need a taste. Heroin, she's dope. If I need her, then I never gotta cope. Then my mind got drunk, yeah. Then I lost my hope. Then I took my toke. Then I found my flow. In a verse I wrote, and it sounded like this, and it sounded kinda ill, and I sounded like heal. Always heal. Looking at my heart, and I think I love you still. Damn, gave you the chills. I didn't lie when I said love kills. Yeah, and now my nerves real bad. Yeah, and now it ain't what I had. Yeah, and it hurts real bad, and I just woke up from a very wet dream. I was thinking about my new John, cause you know we gotta move on. If it's you, then you never ever do wrong. This is love, boo, different from a fool song. Yeah, and now I'm always singing blues songs. Yeah, and now I'm always singing blues songs. Hey, now I'm always singing blues songs. Hey, now I'm always singing blues songs. Fuck 'em. Fuck 'em. Fuck 'em.